It's great to be amongst you with technological cream of India. Before I start my narration, जो अभी आरजे ने किया, I would like to do once again in my way. How is the Josh? I can hear that. How is the Josh? How is the Josh? Again. I'm Colonel Kishore Joshi. I served in Indian Army in Kumau Regiment. Then I had a stint few years with 10 Parasat and then with National Security Guards Black Cat. I was Black Cat for almost 4 years, during which this operation, the first surgical operation, was carried out by Black Cat Commandos with National Security Guard. Just to give my small introduction, I was right from the beginning, I was very physically fit, and my commanding officer always thought that ये जो छोरा है, I was captain then, ये जो छोरा है, he can do well in any special forces or in NSG. So that is how my commanding officer got me posted to NSG. And by the time I went to NSG, I became major. I was Major Kishore Joshi then. This operation, Operation Akshatham, was on 24th, 25th night of 2002. I was commanding 2 squadrons of the 51 Special Action Group. That day, on 24th evening at 5 o'clock, 5:30, 6 o'clock, I came back from my sports period, from sports game parade, came back home, and I was sitting with my wife in my lawn. I will tea. This was around 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock in the evening. Suddenly, my radio set started sounding loudly. All my communication gadgets were sounding. I picked up, at that time we just had mobile phones, the small mobile phone, long antenna bigger than the mobile. That mobile I used to have initially, that was in 2002. That also started ringing. I told my wife, इतना सब कुछ होता नहीं है, I just switch on the TV. Something has gone wrong. She switched on the TV. I saw that there was an attack in Akshardham temple. Akshardham is the name of the place. Our temple is of Swaminarayan. Akshardham is the place near in Gandhinagar. So we went to the Akshardham temple. I saw that 40 to 50 bodies were lying, civilians were killed, and that scroll, it was coming. 3 terrorists entered Gandhinagar Akshardham temple. They have killed 40 civilians and taken hostages, 50-90 people. In that short period, I could understand why my radio sets and why so much of warning was there. Within next 10-15 minutes, my gypsy came. My gypsy was laden with everything, my ammunition, my battle gear, damperings and everything, weapon, grenades and everything. It came and I just left. While going, my wife asked me, कि कब तक आओगे? मुझे पता नहीं. And I sat in my gypsy and left for Palam Airport. That time I was in Manesar, Gurgaon. From From there I went to Palampur. My commandos similarly, like I got into my gypsy, my 60 commandos, they got into their buses, two buses, again laden with all warlike stores. We moved to Palam. We reached Palam, our aircraft was ready. We got into it, lashed our stores. My gypsy got into the IL-76. We flew off to Ahmedabad. While on board, when we were airborne, I briefed my commandos standing on the lashed stores. कि कमांडोज हमें आदेश मिला है. इससे पहले मेरे को I had got a call from DG NSC, Mr. Mushari at that time, कि this thing has happened and you have to move. So I had moved. I told my commandos कि ऐसा ऐसा हुक्म आया है, ऐसा ऐसा यहाँ पे क्राइसिस हुआ है अक्षरधाम में. We have to kill those guys and rescue the hostages. इतना ही था ब्रीफिंग. अक्षरधाम का मंदिर बताया मैंने. इससे ज्यादा मैंने जो टीवी में देखा था वही मैंने उनको बताया. इससे ज्यादा कुछ ब्रीफिंग नहीं दे पा रहा था. तो टाइम भी इतना नहीं था, ज्यादा देखा भी नहीं था. किसी ने मेरे को फीड भी इनपुट्स भी नहीं दिए. बट दैट वाज ऑल. बट आवर ट्रेनिंग वाज सच कि इतना सा बोलने पर ही एवरी कमांडर एट ऑल लेवल्स दे अंडरस्टूड व्हाट आर दे सपोज्ड टू डू. That was the level of training we had in NSG. When we reached Ahmedabad, when police, Gujarat police vehicles had come to fetch us up, हमको वहाँ लेके गए गांधीनगर में हमने सर्किट हाउस पे सामान डाला, moved to temple. I went out with my all commanders below me, took them, went to the temple. There Mr. Chakravarti, IG police, Gujarat Guard, he was there. They were handling the operation till then. और तब तक 2-3 गुजरात पुलिस कमांडोज were martyred. और फिर that is how NSG were called upon to mitigate this, resolve this crisis. पुलिस बाहर आ गई थी and they had cordoned the temple and waiting for us. I took the operational responsibility from Mr. IG, Mr. Chakravarti, और मेरे को देने के बाद I just asked him last question, when was the last you spotted militants, terrorists? He said कि 15 मिनट पहले, if you have seen this temple, there are those umbrellas. Do we have a pointer or something, laser pointer? That you can see this umbrella at the top. From there we had seen, from there we had, they had fired last 15 minutes back, and after that there is no firing from there. And now we are not able to locate them where they are. When I went and saw the temple, to my heart, it was huge temple spread over 26 acres. Can you just move to the next slide? It was spread over 26 acres and had 101 rooms. And it was difficult for me to search each and every room. And then I came to know there were only two, not three, there were only two. But two terrorists have created so much of havoc there. They have created mayhem there. But it was difficult to search those two guys. But there was no other solution just to search each and every room. As organized, we are organized in squads. The squad is a small team, 5, 6. So 6 squads from left flank, 6 squads from right flank. As told us to search each and every room. And how to search a room? We cannot enter inside like this because there might be a casualty, own casualty. So they had to just kick the door and carry out speculative fire. If retaliation comes, then we can actually find out. This is how we had to search each and every room. On the right flank, there was a toilet. toilet, when my commandos went in, they threw flashbang. Flashbang is the grenade which gives lot of flash and it lights for few seconds. And that is the time when we enter and neutralize. My commandos threw grenade flashbang inside. It blasted and then went inside and started firing. They got the retaliation and it was clear there was a military inside, there was a terrorist inside. However, that terrorist escaped out from the door. There was an outside door which was which led outside the temple, from where generally housekeepers they used to come and clean the washrooms. So from there he escaped. However, there was a cordon around by my commandos. They pinned him down. The time, sorry, I forgot to tell you that the time was around 1 o'clock in the night. It was pitch dark, light. However, there were lights of temple. He was hiding in the nursery. That door, washroom door, was leading to the nursery. That nursery was between the wall, 4 meters wall on the outer side, and temple wall. There was almost 15 to 20 meters or 20 feet space there. They had a nursery, and he was hiding in the nursery. Then I got a call on my radio set. We had a box unit. He informed me कि साहब वो बाहर आया हुआ है और एक पेड़ के नीचे बैठा है, पर वैसे दिख नहीं रहा है, लेकिन उसके हथियार के फ्लैश से AK-47 के फ्लैश से हमको दिख रहा है। मैंने बोला आप उसको वहीं पे पिन करके रखो, कोई अभी कुछ करेगा नहीं, उसको सिर्फ देखना है कि आपने उसको एस्केप नहीं होने देना है। I came out from the inside and came out towards the wall. And now the distance between, can you go to the next slide please? Next. Okay, wait. There was the wall, there was a 4-meter wall here, and there was a temple wall here. And there was a space between, and there was a nursery in between. And he was hiding somewhere. My guys were behind the wall and they were pinning him down. Only problem that I came around and came across just closest distance from the terrace, 90 degrees to him, behind the wall. He was at the advantage because we were being silhouetted due to city lights, and he was in the dark. Silhouette, you understand? Silhouette, and there was a light behind us, and he could see our shade. So he could see us. So that advantage he had, and we were fighting against disadvantage because we couldn't see him. Only flash of that, only of his weapon, I could locate his exact location. I told my buddy was Surjan Singh Bhandari from Garhwal Scouts. A young guy, 23-year-old guy, as tall or even taller than me. मैंने बोला बुला is he called for Garhwal is he called Bula, a small younger brother. बोला तेरे को वो दिख रहा है फ्लैश जो AK-47 का जो फ्लैश आ रहा है उससे मैं लोकेट कर पा रहा हूँ, मैं देख रहा हूँ, तुम भी देखो. तो he fired like this from over the wall and he retaliated and he saw that कि हाँ है. तो मैंने उसको बोला कि मैं जब स्टैंड बाय गो बोलूँगा हम ग्रेनेड फेंकेंगे, ग्रेनेड फटेगा और उसमें आपने कवरिंग फायर देना एंड आई विल जंप ओवर द वॉल, और फिर मैं कवरिंग फायर दूंगा एंड यू विल जंप ओवर द वॉल. तो ऐसा हमने प्लान किया. बोला ठीक है सर. I said stand by go through the grenade. It blasted there. As soon as he got up to give a covering fire and I was about to jump the wall, there was a fire from him. And I saw Surjan Singh Bhandari falling like this. Very first bullet. साथ ही थे, but he just fell down. I saw his eyes rolling up. I gave him CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation I gave him. and he took a long breath. ऐसे लंबी सांस ली. I immediately got him evacuated. पर जब मैं उसको सांस दे रहा था, I was giving him mouth-to-mouth resuscitation, तो उसके मुंह पर खून गिरा. Then I was amused कि ये खून आया कहाँ से? तब तक उसके चेहरे पर खून नहीं था. That blood, जब मैंने देखा कि मेरे यहाँ पर भी गोली लगी, it had just cut my neck, साइड से काट के चला गया. And when I was forcing my breath in his mouth, that time blood spotted out on his face. I cleaned his face, then I just touched it. It was quite a deep cut. I was taken there and they stippled my injury. But I was not feeling weak or something like that. Because I couldn't feel only actually. That might be because वो adrenaline rush था, आगे target था, body गर्म थी, so I didn't feel that much. But when I came to know that I've been shot, तब दर्द होने लगा. ये होता है ये वैसे. So वहाँ गए डॉक्टर ने they carried or administered some first aid to me. उन्होंने वो स्टेपलिंग ऐसे किया पैक करके काला पट्टा लपेटा एंड बोला कि सब आप आराम करिए. बोला नहीं, बोला how can I do आराम here? This target I have already lost one guy and that terrorist is, I don't know whether he's alive, and there are two guys. I can't stay here, I have to go. So they were trying to stop me, I just ran away from there and went back to the. There was another buddy who joined me after Surjan Singh left. He came and joined me. मैंने बोला दुर्गा अब इन सालों को छोड़ना नहीं है, बिल्कुल छोड़ना नहीं है और इसकी छलनी करनी है. मैंने बोला दुर्गा तू डर तो नहीं है? बोला नहीं साहब, आप हो साथ में किस लिए डरना है? तो मैं बोला प्राण गोई, तूने कवरिंग फायर करना, मैं जंप मार रहा हूँ, मैं फायर करूँगा, तू जंप करेगा. We did that. We started firing on that location, but there was no reply fire from there. So we thought it is okay. But when we saw his body, or with the bullets, probably he would have died in first when Surjan Singh had a encounter with. तभी हो गया होगा. But grenade fire से हो गया होगा. But he couldn't do it. मर गया. उसको फिर हमने बॉडी हटाया और handed over. But now the question was, where was the second terrorist? It was very difficult because it was quite obvious कि वो दूसरा जो terrorist था वो पक्का होता hostages के पास. And there were 80 to 90 hostages, and those hostages he has taken in an auditorium. Auditorium was on the right. These were the people who were killed there, few of them. Next. This is police. Next. This is the sculpture workshop from there. Like this is blast, grenade blast. Next. Okay, back. Back. Okay. Now the question was, where is the second terrorist? Second terrorist was with the hostages in auditorium, and it was quite obvious. मैंने अपने जितने स्पॉट्स थे वो ऑडिटोरियम का एक ही दरवाजा था सामने. Now, for example, this is the auditorium. Perfect. Now we will just take our imagine outside. यहाँ पर दरवाजा है ऑडिटोरियम का सामने. This is not auditorium. This is the door of that auditorium, and this is a corridor. This is the corridor, and the corridor runs like this. And on the right, that is the entry, and on the right there was the auditorium. उसके साइड में वो टॉयलेट था जहाँ पर मारा था, और ये रहा था ऑडिटोरियम जहाँ पर ये दरवाजा था और ऐसा कॉरिडोर था. उसके ऊपर एक लेटरिन ऐसा था, उसके ऊपर भी एक कॉरिडोर था. I had to play with the psychology of the terrorist. तो अमूमन ऐसा होता है कि जब बहुत देर से धूम धड़ाका फायर हो रहा है तो एकदम शांत हो जाए तो वन इज इनक्विजिटिव, क्या हो गया. I just played a gamble. क्योंकि दूसरा तरीका, एक हमारा जो तरीका होता है जिसको हम दरवाजे को फील्ड चार्ज लगा के उड़ा देते हैं and then we go inside. बट दैट वाज नॉट पॉसिबल हियर क्योंकि इतने सारे हॉस्टेजेस हैं। अगर कोई दरवाजे के पास होता तो हम कैजुअलिटी सिविलियन कैजुअलिटी हो जाती, विच वाज नॉट हमारा, इट वाज अ मैंडेटेड वंस एनएसजी एंटर्स इनसाइड देयर विल नॉट बी एनी सिविलियन कैजुअलिटी व्हाट मे, तो सिविलियन कैजुअलिटी होने देना ही नहीं था। इसलिए ये जो हमारी ड्रिल थी दरवाजा उड़ा के अंदर जाने की, ये मैं नहीं कर सकता था। तो बट दूसरा तरीका क्या था, प्ले विद द टेक्नोलॉजी, प्ले विद इट। और उस स्ट्रेस में मेरे को एक्चुअली आई हैड टू प्लान फॉर दिस कंटीजेंसी। मैंने सबको बोला, मेरे जो स्पॉट्स थे जो लगे हुए थे, मेरे स्नाइपर्स भी लगे हुए थे। नाउ इमेजिन द डोर हियर, मेरे स्नाइपर्स दूर दूर पे लगा रखे थे, देखिए जो गुंबज थे उसके नीचे स्नाइपर्स लगा रहे थे। स्नाइपर्स का काम होता है, उनको मैंने ऑर्डर्स दिए थे, अगर उसको क्लियर शॉट मिलता है, उसका हेड शॉट मिलता है, टेक हिम, अदरवाइज डोंट एंगेज इनटू दिस थिंग बिकॉज देयर माइट बी चांसेस वो हॉस्टेज को मारेगा एक ही गोली में उसने खोपड़ी उड़ा दी है। मैं तो नहीं, अगर क्लियर शॉट नहीं मिल रहा है वो नहीं करेगा। और उनके पास टेलीस्कोप होता है स्नाइपर पे, स्नाइपर आपको जानते होंगे, स्नाइपर इज शार्प शूटिंग गन, तो उसमें टेलीस्कोप होता है, फ्रॉम देयर ही कुड डू द रियल टाइम इन्फो टू मी। मैं और मेरा जो दूसरा बड़ी था दुर्गा, वी क्लाइम्ड ओवर द टेरेस ऑफ द टेम्पल, वी गॉट ओवर, वी अपसेट आवरसेल्फ। अपसेलिंग इज एन इक्विपमेंट जहां पर कंट्रोल डिसेंट होता है, उसमें लीवर होता है, कैन यू प्रेस इट यू कम डाउन, आई मीन यू लिव इट यू हैंग, तो इस तरह का होता है। तो उसमें फ्रॉम टॉप ऑन द रूफ टॉप वी केम डाउन and stood in front of this corridor, on this roof of this corridor, and from there we cannot bend down and see because that might lose the surprise. To mitigate this, the snipers who were there deployed, they were giving the information. Now my plan was, we have to hang on there till that hostage taker or that terrorist comes out. And I was for sure he will not come alone. He will get one hostage along और उसको साथ में रख के ही करेगा. And I was hanging there for last say 10, 15, 20 minutes. I was hanging. Suddenly my sniper guy called me. सब वो बाहर आ गया है और आप जैसे खड़े हो, आप ही के सामने हैं और वो एक आदमी को लेकर आया है, उसको मेरे को क्लियर शॉट मिल नहीं रहा है, साहब आपकी तरफ है। तो वहां से नाउ जस्ट इमेजिन दिस द डोर, आई एम हैंगिंग लाइक दिस, और वहां से मेरे स्नाइपर मेरे को इन्फॉर्म कर रहा है एंड आई वाज अलाइनिंग माय सेल्फ, सब थोड़ा लेफ्ट लो थोड़ा राइट लो, एंड इस तरह से वेपन को अलाइन किया उसने टेररिस्ट के साथ। बोला साहब यहीं पर ही आपने यही उतरना है। I was about to say stand by, go. उसके सामने उतरने वाला था। The distance was this much. यहाँ पर ये IIT इंदौर लिखाएंगे and I was getting down here. मेरा था, मैंने उसको मेरे बड़ी को बोला कि बेटे एक ही शॉट में फायर होना है, क्योंकि दूसरा शॉट वो मौका नहीं देगा। वो तो उसने तो बिना एम लिए फायर करना है, हम दोनों मारे जाएंगे। एक ही गोली में मारना है हमें। और हमने अपने वेपन को सिंगल शॉट किया, क्योंकि अगर बर्स्ट में करते और हमने भी ऐसा मारा तो हॉस्टेज मारा जा सकता। तो हमको हमारे लिए इतना डिसएडवांटेज था, सिंगल शॉट में रखना है, एक ही गोली में मारना है। दैट वाज द थिंग। और मैंने उसको ये बोला कि जो पहले फायर करेगा वही जिएगा। डिस्टेंस वाज जस्ट दिस मच। तो इसमें ऐसा एम लेने की कोई जरूरत ही नहीं, उसने तो ऐसे मारना, और मेरे को शिफ्ट लेना जरूरी था क्योंकि साथ में हॉस्टेज था। मैंने बोला मैं पहले फायर करूंगा, अगर मेरे वेपन में कुछ मैल फंक्शन होता है, वेपन रुकता है, तो आपने फायर करना है। कभी कभी किस्मत ऐसी होती है, ऐसे टाइम पे कभी इक्विपमेंट खराब हो जाता है, हो सकता है। तो आई डिडंट वांट टू टेक चांस। तो मैंने बोला अगर मैंने ट्रिगर दबा, क्लिक आवाज आए, फायर नहीं हुआ तो तुमने तुरंत फायर करना है। तो दैट वाज इट। और एक ही राउंड ऐसा किया। आई वाज अबाउट टू से स्टैंड बाय गो, अंदर चला गया। इतनी देर से इंतजार करते फिर अभी अब कितने देर हमको अभी और लटकना पड़ेगा ये पता नहीं थी। इस बीच में नाउ दिस इज द टाइम व्हेन आई वाज ऊपर बैठ के मैं सोच रहा था, आई हैड माय प्रेग्नेंट वाइफ एट होम, माय वाइफ वाज प्रेग्नेंट, 3 months प्रेग्नेंट एंड माय डॉटर वाज 1.5 years old। मेरे दिमाग में सब घूम रहा था कि अगर मेरे को कुछ हो गया है, क्योंकि इन एनी मोमेंट 2 मिनट है, 1 मिनट है, 5 मिनट है, 10 मिनट है, आधा घंटा है, इस बीच में कभी भी मतलब मैं जी सकता हूं अगर मेरा पहला फायर हुआ या तो मेरी मौत निश्चित है। तो ये टाइम था जब मैं सोच रहा था सब कुछ। फिर मैंने दुर्गा को पूछा, दुर्गा तेरे घर में सब कुछ ठीक है? जस्ट चैटिंग विद हिम। हाँ सब, तो डर तो नहीं लग रहा है हम अभी नीचे उतरने वाले हैं? बोला नहीं साहब, आप हो हमारे साथ तो उनको किस बात का डर है? सो दैट गिव मी that gave me confidence कि my wife has got faith in me. That is where our camaraderie, our training comes into play. उसने बोला साहब आप हो हमारे साथ, किस बात का डर? कोई नहीं, देख लेंगे सालों में। ये सब बात हुई और मैं भी सोच रहा था, बट नाउ आई हैड टू ओवरकम ऑल माय थॉट्स एंड कम बैक टू द सिचुएशन, because if any fear comes on my face, that will jeopardize my operation. And that was the time, immediately my sniper, he said, साबो बाहर आ गया है, साबो बाहर आ गया है, वो सेम पोजीशन पे, पर एक बार औरत है साथ में, आपने वहीं उतरना है जहां बोला है। Now I had to ensure 2 things while absolutely, and time मेरे पास ज़्यादा नहीं था। I was absolute down, I said stand by, go, absolute down right in front of him, one shot between his eyes and he was down there. That was the one round. I'm still shivering when I'm revisited that day. Again, revisiting that thoughts. I got him down, and I was trembling like this. I couldn't believe it. Yes, I have done it. But then that Durga, he jumped over me and brought me down. Some मार दिया साहब, हो गया साहब। अब यहाँ पर मैं ये सोच रहा था, अगर मैं जल्दी लीवर छोड़ देता तो मैं पहले एक ही चुपरी में I would have hung like this and would be hanging like a duck and would have shot me myself. So I had to ensure कि मैं पूरा लीवर दबाऊं and stabilize myself with the same weapon with minor direction and give a shot at it. That was it. Immediately we went inside the auditorium. We got these guys out and they were just holding our legs and बोला तुम अभी ये टाइम में निकलो बाहर, निकलो। We just rescued all 90 of them, and the scene inside was horrible. They had हर जगह गंदगी हो चुकी थी, क्योंकि जैसे 4-5 घंटे से they were there, small babies, old people, ladies, gents, so many, and it was all बेचारे करेंगे क्या? Everything they had to, nature's all beginning हुआ, सब कुछ वही हो रहा था। डर के मारे और बच्चे भूखे, बेबीज भूखे, because mothers were not lactating, उनको प्रॉब्लम, मतलब बहुत 4-5 घंटे से बच्चों सबकी हालत खराब थी। उनको निकाला, फिर उनकी बॉडी के पैर, उनकी बॉडी में ना, फिर उसके बॉडी में रस्सी बांध के फिर खींच के लेके गए। ऑलमोस्ट 8-10 मीटर की रस्सी होती है, उसे खींच कर बॉडी फड़फड़ाते हुए लेके गए बाहर और पुलिस को हैंड ओवर किया। कि हम रस्सी पैर में इसलिए बांध के खींचते हैं क्योंकि जो टेररिस्ट होता है मरते वक्त ये ना ग्रेनेड की पिन निकाल के कीप इट देयर बॉडी, और अगर हम जाके उसकी बॉडी को पड़ता है तो पिन निकल के भाई भी मरा हुआ आदमी भी 8 लाख को मार लेके मरेगा। तो हम उसको ऐसा रगड़ते थे, रगड़ is how. Next. Let's just go back to these were the terrorists which were killed, both of them next. The first terrorist. And what I explained it was just animation किया हुआ है. Next. Yeah. This is the terrorist gone down there. Come next. This was the second terrorist जिसके बीच में just see how young he was, just 23, 24 years. I don't know उनके दिमाग में क्या भर के रखा होता है. So they have got nothing else, but they want to go against. Next, this is both of them. Next, they guys and later on they had a sort of next, this is the car in which they came. Next, hand grenade. Next, this is a letter written in Urdu, and the next, this is Gujarati. Now, this when we got a recent portable check here, so this was the revenge of Godhra. Godhra was there in March, April 2002, and this happened in September 2002. So इस लेटर में लिखा हुआ था. Next, ये वाला एनिमेशन जब किया था, इस वॉल नेक्स्ट खजूर लेके आए थे. दे ना कितने देर के लिए वो कितने दिन के लिए दे रहा है प्लान टू कीप होस्टेजेस. नेक्स्ट दिस इज ऑल नेक्स्ट these were the awards which were given. Ashok Chakra मिला में सुरेश एक कीर्ति चक्र, Surjit Singh Bhandari जिसको मेरा बड़ी लगा, and I was honored for next. ये नीचे टेरेस पड़ा हुआ है and वो मेरा मुंह देख रहा होगा फटा हुआ, and on the right इस तरफ. Next, this is me in 2002.